Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Gayatri Tawar. Today I am presenting my paper An Economics Analysis of Rose Production System in Pushkar Sub-Tehsil of Ajmer. Contains Introduction, Data and Methodology, Result and Discussion, Conclusion. Introduction of this study. Floriculture is the art and knowledge of growing flowers to perfection. It deals with the cultivation of flowers and ornamental crop from the time of planting to the time of harvesting. It also includes production of planting material through seeds, cutting, budding, grafting and marketing of flowers and flowers products. Perfume industry and pharmaceutical sector depends upon it. India is blessed with several agroclimate zones conducive for production of sensitive and delicate floriculture products. The country's total horticulture production is estimated to rise marginally to 314.87 million ton in the 2019-20 crop year. The area under horticulture crop also rose 25.6 million hectare from 25.43 million hectare. Roses are one of the most popular garden plants. They may be used as flowering shrubs in the landscape, but they are at their best in properly scabbed soil plantings. Anyone can grow roses. Some gardeners try to grow too many varieties or blooms and give far more pleasure than 50 poorly maintained plants. 10 well chosen varieties carefully maintained produce more. It is one of the nature beautiful creation and is universally known as the queen of flowers. Whereas Pushkar town, a rose hub fulfilled the demand of roses in the market of Ajmer Dargah area in eastern parts of the state produce marigold, and the flowers are sent to town outside the state such as Mathura, Vrindavan and Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Keeping in mind the increasing importance of roses and Pushkar, the study was undertaken to examine the constraints to rice production and marketing. Data and methodology of this study. The primary data on socio-economic aspect along with different inputs, cost, yield, returns, and employment in flower cultivation was collected through personal interview of the respondents with the help of a specially structured and pre-tested schedule. For primary data collection, a cluster of 6 gram panchayats, namely Ganaheda, Devnagar, Nan, Khori, Kadil and Tilora were selected from Pushkar Sub-Tehsil of Ajmer. A list of rose growers were prepared with the help of officials of horticulture department, and rose grower of sample size of 5 from each gram panchayat was selected through random sampling method of that study. This study released to year 2019-20. Result and discussion of this study. Table first. Land use pattern and production of rose in Sub-Tehsil of Ajmer. Name of area Pushkar, Devnagar, Tilora, Ganaheda, Nan, Khori, Kadil. Total geographical area 17,556 hectare. Land available for cultivation in Pushkar 7,162 hectare. Rose cultivation area 738 hectare. Rose production in ton 2,567. Area of production and productivity in Gram Panchayat 2019-20. Rose cultivation area 673. Rose production in ton 2312 and productivity 18. Lowest productivity found in Tilora, Nan and Khori, whereas highest in Ganaheda and Devnagar. Estimated cost of rose garden. The total cost of establishing 1 hectare of land is estimated to be about rate 1,37,000 in Pushkar. Components like seed, land preparation, transportation, pesticide cost, fertilizer cost, manure cost, electricity charges, etc. Employment generation of rose flower. Employment generation of rose flower from year 2019-20. The highest number of main days of employment generation was noticed in rose cultivation with 1,744 man days per hectare in Ganaheda. 1720 main days Devnagar and 680 in Kadil. Marketing cost of rose flower. Total marketing cost include was rate 45,699 per hectare and rates 0.096 per piece of rose. And this data based on personal interview. Conclusion. There was an impressive growth in the area under rose cultivation in most of major rose growing district in Ajmer. The selected farmers have devoted a good proportion of area under rose cultivation. Though the rose cultivation requires high establishment, cultivation and marketing cost, the cultivation of rose was generating impressive and equitable return to the farmers. The farmers were also efficient in rose cultivation. Further, the production system was generating good employment opportunities for farm family as well as agriculture laborers, especially for female workers. The finding of the study suggested some value chain activities as development of long stem, high price level rose market in Pushkar is much unorganized, lack of new technologies, cheap loan facilities and creates value in rose production. Thank you.